am obsessed with cardigans, and I am so thrilled to announce to you today our newest design, the Infinitesimal cardigan. This new design by Zara Powder was inspired by the realization of how vast the universe is and how small we are in comparison. Yet there's such incredible beauty in the way that everything and everyone comes together in a magnificent whole. This reminds me of knitting. Each stitch may seem tiny and insignificant on its own, but altogether they form something truly magnificent. The Infinitesimal cardigan embodies this concept perfectly. It's an oversized, cozy cardigan with a striking, plump cable trickling down both sides of the front that's super fun and satisfying to knit. And you only need to learn 2 different easy cables for this one. This cozy design is worked in a raglan style from the top down with some shaping for the V-neck. This method is going to ensure that you can try your cardigan on as you go, which will guarantee you have a perfect fit. To make this, you're going to start at the top and work the yoke first. Once you've completed that, you're going to go ahead and split the body and the sleeves, and you're going to work those separately. The body of the sweater is designed with lots of positive ease, giving it that wonderfully relaxed, oversized fit. And the sleeves have a wonderful fullness to them as well, adding to the coziness of the design. Once you've worked the body and the sleeves, you're going to knit the neckline and sew it onto the body of the cardigan, which adds just that beautiful little finishing touch to your piece. And of course, you can pop on some buttons of your choice if you like. And I love too that the length of this cardigan can easily be adjusted if you want more of a cropped version or more of a longer, cuddlier version. Another very cool thing about this design is that instructions are provided on how to create this absolutely gorgeous fade from top to bottom. It is so beautiful. To get this look, we used our stunning Akismus Hues yarn kit. It starts as this beautiful silvery look at the top, going into some speckled aqua tones, and then finally into some deeper aqua tones. This makes me so happy because it reminds me of a cascading waterfall just splashing down with abandon and delight. And I love the contrasting color of the neckband winding around the front. And we do have this color combination as a kit for you, as well as some other beautiful kit options that you could use. And our inventory does change really quickly, so if you ever don't see colors on the site, just send us a message and we can often bring them back for you. And the yarn we used is our glowing Pearlescent Worsted yarn. It has an unparalleled shine and a creamy, supreme softness to it. You can download the pattern and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com, and of course we'll put the links in the description for you. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to work those gorgeous curvy cables, so let's go ahead and practice those. To work a 5/5 right cross, we're going to start by transferring 5 stitches to our cable needle. 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're just going to hold those in the back. Then we're going to knit 5 stitches from our left needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can knit directly off your cable needle if you like, or you can go ahead and transfer those stitches back onto your left needle and just knit from there, which is what I'm going to do. 4 and 5. Once those stitches are back on your left needle, then you're good to knit those 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To work a 5/5 left cross, it's very similar. We're going to transfer 5 stitches from our left needle onto our cable needle, but this time we're going to hold them in the front. 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to knit the next 5 stitches from your left needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then same as before, you can go ahead and knit directly off of your cable needle if you like, or you can transfer those stitches back onto your left needle, whichever you prefer. For this many, I like to go ahead and just pop them back on. So I'm only working with 2 needles, and then go ahead and knit those 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there you go. And when you work those cables, as mentioned in the pattern, you get this absolutely gorgeous cascading cable down the front. So there you have it. These cables are super simple, and the rest of the design is mostly stockinette and ribbing. This infinitesimal cardigan is just a beautiful reminder of how every small effort adds to a greater whole. It's a beautiful, comforting piece that I think you're gonna wanna reach for again and again. I hope you enjoy knitting this beautiful cardigan, my friend. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And I hope you remember that even when you feel small, every action you take expands outwards and you never know the far-reaching effects of them. So enjoy your week. Thank you for being here, and I'm gonna see you next week with another beautiful new design. Bye.